All right, so we replaced the power steering pump, so that's good. We're going to do the radiator now, just taking off, letting it bleed down there. But the interesting thing about this thing that we found is we found where the oil is coming from. So when he said he had an oil leak, it wasn't from the motor. It was from right there, the power steering box. It's leaking down there, coming down the frame, dropping down on all this stuff, and just coating the whole backside of this thing with crap. So that's where that's the oil leak that the guy had. So it's not even the motor. We're not getting any oil out of the motor at all. Yeah, but it is leaking everywhere else. So the front piece there is power steering fluid, because the front part of the power steering pump was loose, and the back of it's leaking right there. So that's going to be a replacement there. But that's all doable. So we got new tires in the back, by the way. Sitting good. And they look awesome. Oh yeah, the brakes, the new pads. Somebody replaced them right before parking it. They're brand new. New lines right here. It's even got the white tag still on it. So we're gonna go and we got a master cylinder ordered, and I'll show you why. That's a good one, because it's ugly. Are y'all ready for this? Yuck. Look at that nasty stuff. So this master cylinder is toast. But the pads are good and the lines are good. All we gotta do is get these loose and that'll be good to go. So we got one of those coming at O'Reilly's at 3 o'clock. So we got our inline fuel filter down there before the pump. Of course, we don't need it before the pump, but we did it because we got a brand new gas tank. And so here's the new power steering pump. And this is still peeing in the bucket. But rebuilt carburetor, we went over it. We went new fill pump, fill filter, power steering pump, plugs, new coil, new electronic ignition, new battery cables. Rebuilt the carburetor. It even starts, even though it's not working perfectly, and there was one stuck seat that we couldn't get out. We're going for a new radiator. I'll show you that in a second. What else did we do? New plugs, that. We got the charges. And the biggest thing was this power steering pump, and the steering box down there is leaking. But you know, that's not that bad. So I'm going to show you a new radiator. It's a 4-core coming in the barn here. 4-core aluminum, new hoses, and the paint came out great. See this thing in the light. New tires look good. Starts right up. All the lights work. It's amazing. So sitting 9 years, lights work. Well, we got a tail light over there that I got to put it back in, but the paint turned out really good.
Loosening the clamps on the lower hose.
Even the dash lights work. Dome light works. Watch this. Oh, we got the battery off, so I ain't gonna do it. But yeah, somebody replaced. We thought we were gonna have to do calipers and stuff, but oil's coming, brake fluid's coming out of the bleeder.
Well, that's good. I'm gonna need a wrench.
So we got the new radiator in. New hose down at the bottom over there. Reused the one here because this one, although that would fit there, this bell here is too big, and if we cut it, it would not stretch over there. It'd have to go this far, and you can see that wouldn't work. So that's what we got going on there. But we got a new radiator in. Haven't fired it up yet. Since, but we got fluid in there and everything looks good. I don't know. Let's do this. I'm gonna put y'all right here. No gas, just key. Fire and hole. No battery.
I undid it.
I forgot the battery. We do that so we don't accidentally whack ourselves. It's like Derek. Bicycle Garage, bring the thunder. Guess I need some gas pedal. Working to me. We do have an exhaust leak. We already know where it's at. Fix that. It's running good. Can't beat that. Got fluid in there still. Fuel gauge is working. It's charging. Temp's working. Oil pressure's working. I can only imagine the speedo works too. All the lights are working, so we're on our way. It is looking pretty fat. So we're getting there. We're just got to do the, we're waiting for a master cylinder. I already ordered it, gonna pick it up at 3 o'clock or so you'll see that soon. But it's, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm sure Tony is, right Tony?
Yep.
All right, first drive under its own power in 9 years. right off to the water tower. You can turn around it. I think it's running pretty good.
Yeah?
How fast does it say we're going?
50.
50. 55. This one was like back in the day.
Pretty much.
My dad's truck would stick shift just like this.
Yeah, they're catching a little bit now. What was that noise?
Transmission. Just the gears whining.
Ain't gonna have the radius of this.
Yeah, the brakes, I don't think they're supposed to work.
About 65 max.
Yeah. Why, are we on the 6th gear now?
There's only 4.
Oh, we're on 4th already? Yeah.
But because it's got that granny gear as first, then you can pull this thing up a concrete building.
Hey, you put a steering box in it, it'll steer a lot better.
Yeah, we'll see how much float is sucked out in this little drive.
Yeah.
Went from dead in the trees to driving on the road.
Yeah. Works.
Shit, all the gauges work, the lights work.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, because temp and oil are where they've always been, but I don't know if that's an issue.
The what?
Temp and oil, they only go
Oh,
up a
yeah.
certain way.
Well, the oil's like that's where it's gonna be.
Oh, doesn't go in the middle?
Probably not.
Still smell gas, I don't know if it's coming from the tank or...
We'll find out here in a minute. Pull it back up there and see what's leaking. It's not a real heavy smell. It's gasoline, but it might just be the crap. I've been smelling it all day. The torque is something else. It's
Pretty much, it'll roll. It'll launch.
Yeah, this was a work truck. Guess I could have parked the Jeep a little bit better.
A little more to the side.
hear it.
Where do you want to wash the motor off? Further on the concrete or further back?
Backwards a little bit.
Tell me when.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right there.
They might even be getting better the more I use the brake.
Yeah.
I'd imagine.
All right. There it is. The
That's
water
fun.
tower and back.
It made it.